Don't have much of a budget to get into selling on Amazon? In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a category of products to sell on the Amazon platform that doesn't require a lot of startup capital, so you can finally get into selling online. It's called Print on Demand, known as POD for Print on Demand. With Print on Demand, you can start earning passive income right away. This method is easier and faster than you think. You don't need any special skills or knowledge to get started. Just create an account on Amazon and add your creations. No need to invest in inventory or manage complicated shipping logistics. Amazon takes care of everything for you. With Print on Demand, you only pay the cost of the product once the sale is made. No need to buy products in bulk or build up a large inventory. Hi, my name is Gene and you are on my AMZ Seller Tools channel, where I share with you my experience with Amazon FBA, so you too can start your own business and start making money fast to achieve the life of your dreams. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of my next videos dedicated to selling on Amazon. See you right after this.
Print on Demand, also known as POD, allows you to print whatever you want on items such as t-shirts, sweatshirts, coffee mugs, posters, without having to invest in inventory. Print on Demand products are products that are made each and every time and only when a customer purchases one of your products on Amazon. Hi, I'm Marjorie. Welcome to our AMZ Seller Tools channel. Don't forget to subscribe to be informed of our next videos. POD can be similar to dropshipping, which involves working with a supplier to sell customers a wide variety of items, which are provided by your partner. When you make a sale on Amazon, your POD supplier produces the item, prints your design, and ships it directly to your customer. This makes Print on Demand the perfect solution for businesses that want to sell items online without having to worry about inventory management. With Print on Demand, you don't have to manage your inventory or even ship your products to your customers. Here is a brief description of how POD works. The customer browses your t-shirt catalog on Amazon and makes a purchase. Their order is sent directly to your POD supplier. Your supplier prints your design on the item and delivers it directly to the customer. You then receive the difference between the selling price on Amazon and the price your POD supplier charges you, i.e. your margin. What distinguishes Print on Demand from basic dropshipping is that you can customize your products. With Print on Demand, you work with manufacturers who can print designs and images unique to your products. In other words, you can upload your unique design for a t-shirt, a mug, and your manufacturer will add that image to your item and make it unique on Amazon. You can also, sometimes, hire designers to create custom items for your customers. Your customers can request a specific design, or add text for example, to a product. You forward the request to your supplier who will take care of the printing and delivery. The advantage of the POD method is that you benefit from the simplicity of dropshipping. You don't have to keep a stock or manage the orders yourself. But you also have the advantage of being able to differentiate your products. Because your products are unique. Only your items are printed with your design. So you are not limited to offering the same items as all other sellers, as is the case with dropshipping. Print on Demand is the perfect solution for new sellers who want to get started on Amazon.
Selling POD products on Amazon is a fairly simple process. To get started, you need two things: a POD company, which will print and deliver your products, and an Amazon seller account. First, you need to create your Amazon seller account. The Amazon platform offers two different types of seller accounts. The first type is a free account called the individual plan, which allows you to start selling a few items each month. However, if you want to grow your business on Amazon, you will need to upgrade to the professional plan. This plan is subject to a monthly subscription fee. but it will cost you less than the individual plan if you sell more than 40 items per month. You will also benefit from several options necessary to quickly develop your business on Amazon. In particular, the professional plan will allow you to link your Amazon account to your pod supplier, to automate the sending of orders to your external supplier as soon as a customer validates his order on the Amazon website.
After creating your Amazon account, the next step is to create an account with your print-on-demand provider. You have two options. Either use an external print-on-demand provider or use Amazon's dedicated print-on-demand solution. The big drawback to Merch by Amazon is its invitation-only accessibility. The application process can take anywhere from 3 weeks to a year. So you'll need to be approved by Amazon before you can start selling printable products. In other words, you will have to wait a long time before you can start your business. The application process is relatively simple. You'll need to provide some basic information about your business, including your tax ID, your bank account, and your contact information. When you are allowed to sell, you will need to upload your own designs for all kinds of products, such as t-shirts, hoodies, etc. Merch by Amazon products are of very high quality. The Merch by Amazon program is so popular that even the biggest brands in the world use it. But Amazon only wants to work with companies that can make them money. Once you create your account and Amazon accepts your application, you can only sell 10 different models to start. At first, Amazon will test you to see if you can actually sell merchandise. Once you have at least 10 sales, you will enter a tier system that will allow you to upload more templates. Here's a chart to see how many templates you can sell based on your level granted by Amazon. With this tiered system, Amazon requires you to prove yourself before you can upload more templates. It's also worth mentioning that Amazon will automatically remove any template that hasn't been sold within 365 days of its release. The pricing for Merch by Amazon products is pretty standard. The first advantage of the Amazon program is that you will benefit from the Prime label, which means faster shipping for your customers. The advantage of the Merch by Amazon program is that it is completely free. However, there are many drawbacks to Amazon's program. Merch by Amazon is by invitation only, and if you are accepted, Amazon will impose a maximum number of designs based on your sales level. And finally, Amazon will remove your design if it has not been sold within the first year. However, another alternative is possible, easier, faster, less frustrating. You can use an external supplier.
Unfortunately, the sad reality is that it is extremely difficult to participate in the Merch by Amazon program. The sign-up process is lengthy, and the number of sales is capped at the start. If you want to get into Pod as quickly as possible, you need to consider another solution. Fortunately, there is a very interesting alternative. Let me introduce you to Printful. Printful is one of the most popular print-on-demand companies in the world. Printful can be integrated into a multitude of environments such as Amazon, Etsy, eBay, Shopify, or your own website. Printful is a print-on-demand company with fulfillment centers in the United States, Mexico, and Europe. The Printful brand is known for offering a wide variety of incredible products to choose from. Printful is also valued for its high-quality items, excellent customer service, and convenient design generator. Printful allows its sellers to create custom designs without worrying about manufacturing, shipping, and handling. You can choose from a selection of great-looking products, customize them in a variety of ways, adding your own colors, your own patterns. You'll even find jewelry items with personalized engravings. To sum up, Printful specializes in print-on-demand products and offers a much wider range of products than Amazon Merch. Quick and easy to set up, you can connect Printful directly to Amazon in a matter of moments. 2 steps. Simply sign up for Amazon's business plan and create your Printful account. Then, you can create your products using the layout builder on Printful. Next step, connect Amazon to your Printful account and upload your designs to Amazon. So, with just a few clicks of the mouse, you have connected Printful to Amazon. Printful will automatically receive your orders from Amazon and process them for you. It's important to note that you can also offer the same designs on other marketplaces, like Etsy and eBay. With Printful, you have access to all of Printful's simple graphic design services and incredible quality control. Here are the 4 benefits of Printful. An excellent range of great products. Easy integration with Amazon. Very convenient design creation. An excellent customer service. You'll find a link to Printful in the description of this video, so you can sign up, make your first design and test their free software yourself.
When you use Merch by Amazon, selling and posting your own t-shirt designs on the Amazon platform is completely free. Because you can create a free individual account on Amazon. However, when you go through a third-party print-on-demand company like Printful, you have to create an Amazon professional account, which will cost you $39.99 per month. But after paying this monthly fee, you can create as many product listings as you want. There are no limitations like on Merch by Amazon. You can also instantly sell your products on your own website, on Amazon, on eBay, and on a number of other marketplaces, at the touch of a button. You'll find a link to Printful in the description of this video, so you can sign up, make your first designs and test their free software yourself. To learn more about Printful and selling on Amazon FBA, I invite you to subscribe to our channel, to be informed of the release of our next videos, so that you too can create your own business and start earning money quickly on the internet. In the meantime, I invite you to click here to watch this new video and to follow a new training completely free.